Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on My Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to make a puff pastry, a perfect non-sticky dough, and how to make an apple pie filling. A small note added at the end of this video will be helpful to make a perfect buttery flaky apple pie. This is a very simple recipe. These apple pies are all time everyone's favorite, isn't it? So let's get started. Ingredients to make this puff pastry are quarter cup grated butter which is refrigerated, 1 cup of cake wheat flour or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and quarter cup of water. Let's make the puff pastry. Take a mixing bowl, add the cake wheat flour, sieve the flour before you use, add half teaspoon of salt and mix. Mix the salt and the flour. After mixing the salt and the flour, now let's add the butter. The butter must be refrigerated before you grate so it gives a flaky texture. Do not use a melted butter. Lemon juice softens the gluten and gives a perfect texture for the puff pastry. Add the cold water, quarter cup of cold water, and combine all the ingredients. You can add the water in batches. Each ingredient adding in a perfect proportion is very important. Butter before grating should be refrigerated so it gives a flaky texture to the puff pastry. This puff pastry can be baked by filling it with spinach and feta or apple pie and different ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of oil for the dough and knead again. You can see the dough is perfect non-sticky dough and the butter makes the dough very soft along with the cold water keeps it still moist. Once the dough is ready, you can refrigerate it up to 45 minutes to an hour. Cover the dough before you refrigerate. This dough can be freezed and used up to 3 days. For using it on the same day, you can refrigerate up to 1 hour and use it. Refrigerating the dough is very important to get a perfect texture for the puff pastry. Apple pie filling: 1 cup sliced apples, half teaspoon salt, 1 to 2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoon corn flour, quarter cup jaggery, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Melt the butter in a pan, let the heat be low. Add the cinnamon powder and mix it well. Now add the jaggery. You can add the melted jaggery as well. Then add the thin sliced apples, salt, cover it and cook it. After some time you can see the apple is perfectly cooked and now it's time to add the lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, we can add the corn flour. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Once the corn flour activates, you can see the mixture has become thick. This is the perfect apple pie filling. If the apple pie filling is too thin, then it will come out of the puff pastry, which is not good. You can see the apple is perfectly cooked. It's time to cool the mixture. Allow it to cool in a plate. Cool the mixture before adding to the pastry. Perfect thick apple pie filling is ready. After refrigerating the puff pastry for an hour, the puff pastry dough is ready. This perfect puff pastry dough, you can use it for different fillings. A perfect non-sticky puff pastry dough with simple, easy steps. Isn't this an easy recipe? Now let's roll the puff pastry to make the apple pie. Sprinkle some flour and roll rectangle. Always try to roll on a vertical and horizontal direction to get a perfect rectangle. Bind the edges with the fingers gently. Make a uniform thickness. Cut the edges which is uneven to make a perfect rectangle. You can even use a scale to make a perfect rectangle. The rectangle length can be like 6 inches to 2.5 inches width, but the thickness should be 1/8 of an inch. The other different shape of making an apple pie is circular way. Take a lemon-sized dough and roll circular. Bind the edges and let the thickness be 1/8 of an inch. Now all the rolled rectangle and the circular shape is ready. Let's fill the apple pie. Now we have to use a cool apple pie filling. Add 1 teaspoon of cool apple pie filling in the center of each strap. Do not overfill the filling. The filling should not be too less or too more. Egg wash the edges so it binds perfectly and do not open up the seal. After egg wash, you can seal one above the other, the rectangular one, and press it with a fork. Double check that it doesn't open up. Egg wash both sides before baking and use 2 baking sheets. Using a knife, gently cut in the center 3 stripes as shown so it cooks perfectly inside as well. In a preheated oven, bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Flaky buttery apple pie is ready. Allow it to cool for some time and you can see a perfect filling. This buttery flaky apple pie is due to the refrigerated butter as well. The filling is perfect. You can see the cornstarch made the thick mixture. A golden brown is due to the egg wash. The apples are perfectly cooked. This puff pastry is very simple and easy to make. Few things that has to be noted before making this apple pie is: prefer to use a refrigerated butter to make a puff pastry. Egg wash both sides of the apple pie before baking so it does not get burned at the bottom. Prefer to use 2 baking sheets. Bake in a preheated oven. Do not overfill the puff pastry. Make this easy apple pie recipe at home and enjoy along with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.